Hi friend, welcome back to my channel Fashion Box. Today we're exploring the latest trend in haircuts. These stylish cuts are talking the world and I am excited to share them with you. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and families. Let's start with the classic low fat. This timeless look is the perfect for anyone who want a stylish, low maintenance haircuts. The fat is seamless and the hair on top is styled to perfection. We have the modern K-low fat. This age look portrays a styling longer fat and a stylish design on top, perfect for those who want to make a statement. Now let's check out the trend low fat haircuts. The bold look portrays a height, fate and a stylish queen of top, perfect for those who want to stay heart of the curve. Low fat. Let's about not latest. We have these stylish low fat haircuts, and the look is very amazing. And low fat had a silky stylish fashion, perfect for anyone who want a chic put together look. Remember to keep your video enjoyed, fun and easy to under trust for your young who say you can rock low fat with a brand. This stylish competitions is perfect for those who want a root put together look. Low fat with designs. Take your low fat to take next level with stylish designs from subtle lines to bold patterns. The polish posements are endless. Let's share some haircuts tips and tricks. Who wants to keep their low fat haircuts looking fresh and stylish? Use the right products. Style your hair regularly. Get regular trims. Experiments with different styles. Have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. See you in next video. Different haircuts and different hairstylings for this video. Let's some haircuts who has a queen about low fat haircuts. Who do style me low fat haircuts? Who often should get terms your the world content is an stamped and you can adjust these different hairstyling and different uh, any for face shapes. This video is very useful ideas for low fat hair. A classic low fat is a types of haircuts that is simple to a low fat but with a styling longer on top. Here are the different hairstyling and haircuts. The hair on the sides and back is cut very short with a grand discuss in lengths as you move up the head. This is the fat parts. The hair on top is left longer, typically around in sides and is styled to speed to on-site or line felt. The fat hair cuts from the short hair on the side to the longer hair on top is quite defined, creating a distancing line around the head. Overall, a classic low fat is a stylish and versatile haircuts that works well for many face shapes and hair types. The fat haircuts is very different hairstyling and different haircuts ideas for any face shapes. Modern K low fats. A modern low fats is the update of the classic low fat haircuts. Here are the K difference. The fat on the sides and back is even more seamless and subtle, often with lower fat points and hairlines. The hair on top is styled with more texture and volume, with amazing undone looks. The the length on top is often shorter than in the classic, typically around insides. In chicks, the hair is often styled with a pat of pomade or styling creams to add hold and different. The overall look is more silky, modern, and aged with a fake on clean lines and a streamlined shoulder out. The haircuts is very unique and different style is a beautiful haircuts ideas for this video. Fat or bold fat on the side and back where the hair is cut extremely close to the skin. A drop fat or shoulder fat where the hair is cut at an angle, creating a dynamically looks. Your look is very stylish, such as undercuts, side parts of hair designs. Overall, the modern K-Lo fat is a stylish and uh, contemporary take on the classic haircuts, perfect for those who want a fresh, fashion-forward look. A trending low fat is very beautiful of the haircuts that very unique hairstyle ideas, some different haircut styles. The fat haircuts on the side and back is cut very short, with a skin fade or bold fat. The haircuts is very unique and different ideas for this video. This video, I hope Your video is very useful ideas.